Dee? Oh my God, you guys are terrible. You gotta watch. Oh, look at the size of that baby over there.
Mom. No, Mom. No, thank
They are big.
Look at the size of this one, Dee.
I know, they're
It's
big.
ginormous. Daddy will do the
Hi. Hi.
Here, ready? Watch, Glenn, if he's
Oh my
coming to me.
God.
Over here, there, liver. Over here.
Oh my God, that's you.
Where's it going?
Hey.
No! Oh, he took my... He took my...
Oh my God.
What the hell?
He's eating, really. Look at.
I can't even see it. He took my whole
Oh
cup.
my shoot.
Remember I told you not to do that, guys? Don't do it.
Oh my
Took
God.
my whole freaking cup. Anything for you, sorry.
Oh.
Look at the horns on that thing.
Oh my God. Can you stop by first?
No.
Holy.
That is very dangerous.
Wow.
Only if he stuck you in the butt.
Well, that is huge.
This looks different, like they improved
Yes.
it. Look at,
And they have a lot of animals too.
I think they made this better. I don't remember it being this nice last year.
It is so beautiful.
I actually like this one. The only thing I
We haven't done this one before, I think.
No.
Glennis, we've done it 3 years.
The safari?
Yes, Glennis. The first year they closed it, but they opened up the safari. And last year they improved it. This year it's nicer than last year. We put a lot of money into this place.
It's beautiful. Oh yeah, I remember that one day. The car was, oh no, it wasn't that place.
You get confused between my house, which isn't bad.
It's funny.
It looks like a little statue outside our garage door.
Oh, I couldn't wait to feed the big deal.
Hi, how are
Just give a
you?
little bit or throw it at him.
Oh,
Is it eating it?
Yes.
he doesn't want to stand.
Let it. Maybe it's a she and maybe she's pregnant.
There's one coming.
Dee, don't give all so much. Just give a little.
Don't give all.
You got a
Don't
big
go.
handful. Don't do it. Don't even do these. Because these just got fed.
I see some animals with giant dookies. That is a giant dookie right there. See a type of dookie.
I don't know.
I want you to put down that window chair.
Okay.
Can we go that way?
We probably will. We're following the road, so whichever way the road brings us. I think we're going to end up over there.
Oh, it's not that a big turn. Are we gonna go on to the other side too?
What are you, 2 years old? How do I know? Just follow the road. And we're going to
The
go
one that
everywhere.
you could walk all around.
You can't walk around this place.
No, I mean the other side.
Yeah, we paid,
That we've
of
been.
course.
Okay, good.
That's why we did already spend $100 before going in.
Having fun? Where are you? Hi. Give me your food. Here. Come on. Right here.
Come on, Eustace. That's what they're called.
Come on. Don't eat my hands. Right here. You're gonna eat first, Michael. Just wait, Michael.
I see a
See? I told you.
He's got nice teeth. You think he brushes his teeth, Dee?
Just drop it.
Look at these bison. These are
Hi. He's like running.
Oh my God.
What?
It was right next to me running. Scared the
Yes, I see the one.
Guy, nakabaw, guy. Manakay tag karabaw.
They do. It scared the
Carabao. That's a carabao. Wow. This, muna gingon nga turo. Turo na siya, turo. Dako kayo.
Dave, stop it. Get in. I don't want them following me around the whole place.
Can I have somebody else's food?
It's all gone?
I am almost running out of food.
Oh, don't take them all.
Gee, why would you do that?
Don't take them all. I'll give you half of it. Okay, that's it.
That's not.
Andy, because we don't have any left. That's enough. Just
I'm
Okay,
gonna
here.
run out of it.
Here.
No, let me.
Don't take them all because we need two. That's it. We don't have that much.
That's because Daddy wasted his by not doing what he told me.
Okay, smile. Smile, Andrew.
Hey, smile.
Look at the camera first.
No, I want to feed.
Just smile so she'll
Come
stop.
on.
Smile so she stops, Dave. Okay, you don't want to go to the other side? Then come here and smile.
Very limited.
We got a threat.
There's nowhere. Speed limit 5 miles per hour. Andrew, be careful.
Not like any animal.
Safari.
Are you wearing your seatbelt?
No.
Dee, don't hang out.
Why? Why? Then I couldn't see.
Go on your side. There's animals up on your other side. Coming up here.
What are those?
What?
Those.
I don't know.
What's some deals? I like the deals. Get a deal for deal.
It's not a deer. Here comes some right up here, Dave, but I don't hear. There's something else. Stay on this side, Dee. He's going to come right up to you. Stay over here. My side. Or your side.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
Holy crap. I
What?
don't like those ostriches. They stick their head right in here.
How does it jump?
Be careful.
He fell backwards. Andy fell.
Okay, that's enough. Gotta shoot to the other house.
You heard it. It freaking scared me. All of a sudden, Andy,
I'm on your side.
he jumped back and he fell backwards.
I'm a bug.
Okay, Connor.
Okay, that's it. You got enough.
Did that scare you, Dee? You fell back, scared the crap out of me. I didn't see it coming in.
I'm running first.
Well, we all are, okay? There's nothing we can do. If we were smart, we would have brought some and hidden it.
I know.
Next time we will do that. I'll go to Tractor Supply and get a big bag.
Yeah.
A big bag.
I didn't think of that.
Could save a lot of money to it
Yep.
because it's
A big
expensive.
bag of
We
juice.
buy one cup or something.
You'll go to get a big
They should
bag.
give that to us free because we're feeding their animals, right?
It's part of their money making. That's just business.
Yeah.
You know, it's business. I don't have a problem with that, but next time we got to remember, we'll be back here again before the year's out.
Having fun, Andrew?
Yes.
Yes. There's no
Like feeding the deal, you'll get things.
Yeah.
Maybe it won't be busy today because it's Father's Day, but I don't know. I would think it
Oh,
would be.
there's some animals on this side.
Where?
Well, it's still early.
No, on this side. Not on Mommy's side. Oh, I see some deer. Couldn't wait to feed the deer. Deer. Deer, deer, deer.
It's a little baby one. You know what a baby deer is called, Dee?
What?
A fawn.
Stop right here and to feed the deers. I love feeding deers. Let me. Come here, baby. That's a bit.
Didn't one of us get bit last year?
That was Andrew, I guess. Or you.
No, I want to
I
feed
think that
the
was
baby
you.
deer.
Oh, how cute. They're running away. Okay, don't give them all because
Okay,
you got
save it for the
other
next one.
animals.
Save it for the next one.
Save for the other one.
Tell me around those deers. The deers are brown.
Here's the big one. What is that?
Where?
The one that's sitting on the ground.
I don't even see anything.
Right here.
Oh, Jesus, that's huge.
That is not a deer.
Yeah,
Elk?
what is it?
Elk, maybe?
They
They're big.
look like camels, but they're not camels.
He doesn't care about you.
I do not want to see that.
Seems like there's not that many animals.
Nope, not that much. Yeah? Andrew, smile. 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 That is
Look at they're all
cool.
over me, Dee. They're on my shoulders.